Why is eminent domain abuse wrong? Have you ever wondered why eminent domain abuse raises so many eyebrows? This legal power allows governments to take private property for public use, but when misused, it can lead to serious problems. Eminent domain abuse occurs when the government disregards the rights of property owners or fails to use the property for a true public benefit. From a conservative viewpoint, particularly among Republicans, this abuse is viewed as a form of government overreach. The belief here is that limited government intervention is essential for protecting individual property rights. Many Republicans argue that the government should not use its authority to benefit private interests at the cost of individual property owners. One major concern is the misuse of the term public use. Initially, this term was meant for projects like roads, schools, and public utilities. However, in some cases, it has been stretched to include economic development projects that mainly benefit private companies. This can lead to situations where homes are taken to build shopping centers or sports stadiums that do not serve the public interest. Another issue is the lack of fair compensation and due process for property owners. Often, individuals do not receive adequate payment for their seized property. They may also lack the opportunity to contest the government's decision. This can create financial hardships for families and individuals who lose their homes or businesses. There are many examples of eminent domain abuse. One notable case involves governments declaring well-kept neighborhoods as blighted to justify taking property for private development. This not only undermines property rights but also damages trust in government institutions. In the context of limited government principles, Republicans see eminent domain abuse as a violation of private property rights. They advocate for stricter regulations to ensure that eminent domain is used only for genuine public purposes. They also push for protections that guarantee property owners are treated fairly throughout the process. By limiting government overreach and safeguarding individual rights, Republicans aim to prevent abuses of power. They strive to maintain a balance between public needs and private property rights. Understanding these principles helps clarify why eminent domain abuse is considered wrong by many.